What's up, guys? Beer in a box number 2. Didn't expect to do this today, but I went and got some bubble mailers from one of my friends and went to his house. He said it's on the porch, so I got on the porch and there was a box of Series 2 he gave to me as well. 36 packs, one hit boxes, 2016 Top Series 2 baseball. Beer of the day is Sweetwater Tropical Lover. It's kind of a sour beer, really tart. Sweetwater Breweries in Atlanta, Georgia. One of my favorites. So if you have access to Sweetwater beer and you haven't tried it, it's tremendous. So crack that open, cold beer, and a box of baseball cards. Let's see what we get. Probably gonna be a long video. That is, if anyone watches it. Probably, in most cases, there's just a jersey card as the hit in these. But there's a lot of chances for rookies and numbered cards. I'm pretty sure this is, I don't remember whose rookie this is, to be honest. But we will find out. 36 packs, lots of cards. Here shall go. These were really awesome. I bought a lot of these back in the day. Socrates Brito, rookie. Kind of going to fly through a base that aren't rookies. Future stars, Blake Swihart, Ichiro, chasing 3K. Alex Wood. Oh, here's our hit already. Jersey card. Giovanni Soto, rookie. Insert of Ken Griffey Jr. tribute to the kid, and a Prince Fielder game used jersey, scouting report. Not numbered, so there's the hit. Yeah, cool. 34 more packs of Top Series 2. Zach Davies, rookie. Ozzie Smith, rookie reprint. This isn't a rookie. This is 82, I believe. Maybe? 1980. His rookie is 79. Elias Diaz, rookie. This is someone's rookie in Series 2, but I can't think of it. Hopefully, we pull it. Wow, there's a black, and it's Jesse Chavez. Jorge Soler, Wrigley Field insert. That's pretty cool. And this is not the black you want to hit. Jesse Chavez out of 65. Would have preferred that be a rookie. So, really tough hit to get a black. One in every 2 boxes or so. Would have preferred a rookie. Kenta Maeda, rookie. Greg Maddux, throwback. Boston Red Sox team card. A lot of upside down stuff here. Cal Ripken throwback. I don't know what year that is. Even if it's, 1996. San Francisco Giants. How about another black? Tim McGraw, first pitch. It's got like a gold foil. Young Cubs. Bruce Sutter, Wrigley Field. Frankie Montas, rookie. I don't know if that's a variation. It's kind of in the same, it's 85. Okay, now it's just a rookie. Aroyd, Luke Jackson, rookie. Eduardo Escobar also looks like a short print. It's not. Dylan Betances. John Smoltz, Hallowed Highlights. A bunt card that's probably expired. Rich Hill, Darren Ruff, Martin Prado. Aaron Altair. Dallas Keuchel, Wade Boggs, 1983. Ricky Nolasco. I like that Boggs card. Tom Murphy, rookie. Cool Carlos Correa, Future Stars. Hallowed Highlights, Cal Ripken Jr., consecutive game streak. Wow, David Price and David Ortiz. Cool card, I'm going to keep that. Go Red Sox. Have the Red Sox game in the background. Chris Sale is just giving it to the Texas Rangers right now. Ichiro insert again. Haven't hit a gold yet. I'm pretty sure you should get several in a box. Carmart, Travis Shaw on the Red Sox, rest in peace. Here's a gold Michael Taylor out of 2016. Jason Gurka, never heard of him. JBJ, go Gamecocks. Brandon Drury, rookie. Francisco Lindor, Future Stars. Hallowed Highlights, Stan Musial. Chris Sale just set some kind of record. Of course he did. Best pitcher in baseball. That isn't named Max Scherzer. Another gold here. Vidal Nuno, out of 2016, and a rainbow foil of Jimmy Nelson. Justin Smoke, go Gamecocks. This is like a vintage feel here of Ryan Madsen out of 99. Another terrible card. A good card of a terrible player. Roberto Clemente. So a card out of 65 and a card out of 99, both of relief pitchers. Trevor Brown, rookie. Ariel Pena, rookie. Tommy Pham, Future Stars. Kyle Larson, first pitch. I don't know who that is. Pujols, Jorge Lopez, rookie. Javier Baez, Future Stars. Ryan Sandberg, Wrigley Field. Another foil card in this pack. Randall Grichuk, Future Stars. First pitch of David Hearn. Abraham Almonte, foil. Mac Williamson, rookie. Xander. Gold of Neftali Feliz out of 2016. Beer. Peter O'Brien rookie. James McCann Future Stars. Kelvin Herrera Gold out of 2016. Lonnie Chisenhall, go Gamecocks, until he got kicked off the team for stealing radios. Still a lot of packs here, and I'm 10 minutes in. I'm going to try and speed this up a little bit. Big Poppy on the back. Gary Sanchez rookie. That's cool. Ichiro insert. Tony Perez reprint. Los Angeles Dodgers, Ichiro, and Big Poppy. If someone's still watching this, comment and say that you're still watching this, because I don't believe you. Eugenio Suarez, Mark Grace, Evan Longoria foil. How about a good rookie here? That's not a good rookie. Ryan Dole rookie. Joey Votto Gold out of 2016. Kyle Waldrop. Let's just get the rest of the packs out of here. I love boxes that have a bunch of packs like this. Hallowed highlights of the kid. Carson Blair, Marcelo Zuna, Future Stars of Justin Bohr. Jorge Lopez, rookie gold out of 2016. I just sold his blue refractor autograph from Bowman Draft, or 2015 Bowman. I sold it last night for 99 cents. His purple and his base did not sell for 99 cents. King Griffey Jr. tribute, rookie of Nick Goody. Tyler Duffy, John Jay, Adrian Hauser, Buxton, Griffey, James Pazos, rookie, Lance McCullers, Yaz, rookie reprint, sick. The same guy who gave me this box also gave me a PSA 7 of that Yaz rookie. Max Kepler. That was a first pitch card, but of no one important. Bartolo. Ichiro. Getting down to it here. Going to try and finish within 15 minutes. I don't think that's going to happen. These cards are flipped every which way. Keon Broxton, rookie. Griffey insert. Matt Reynolds, rookie. Kyle Schwarber, rookie. It's like a future cup, so you probably have one in Series 1 as well. Griffey tribute to the kid. Carl Crawford, throwback. Sean Armstrong, rookie. I don't think he made it. Last two packs. Bless me. Real Muto, Yasiel Puig, rookie throwback, Tony Watson, and the last pack. Colton Murray, rookie, Tanaka, Rosie Rios, and that will do it. Carlos Perez thought it was Mike Trout. If anyone watched, thanks for watching. Beer in a Box number 2. Hopefully we'll have more of these. Sweetwater. Go try it. See ya.